latest from the parliament. But look at China's response. China resorts to pointing fingers even now at India, and soon after the defense minister's hard talk in the Rajya Sabha. Responding to a question on disengagement, which was a very separate question for the Chinese Foreign Ministry, the reply was that the PLA is abiding by the agreement reached between the two sides in Moscow on 4th of September. The Chinese government, however, deciding to blame India and saying it must correct its mistakes and ensure disengagement to ease tension. India time and again has exposed Chinese build-up, remember, along the line of actual control, which breaches numerous border understandings and treaties and agreements. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh had met his Chinese counterpart in Moscow on September 4. Both sides had then come to a 5-point consensus to honor border pact and ease tensions, which clearly China has not done. Talks between military officials of the two countries have achieved little since the deadly Galwan clash in the month of June. Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan joins us on this as well. Geeta, it is true and it is on record that there have been enough bilateral meetings, both military level and diplomatic level as well. There were consensus achieved, or at least there was an attempt to. But now it seems that China would just not accept any of it.
Well, that's right. The 5-point consensus agreement, Pooja, that the foreign ministers arrived at in Moscow on the sidelines of the SCO meet certainly has not moved forward from the political guidance that it provides to the military commanders to start meeting, because to that very specific question there was no response. In fact, what we're seeing is hardening of stand and China continuing to blame India for violations that it is doing at the LAC, not just violating bilateral agreements, but the fact that the Chinese troops are in Indian side of the LAC and are not moving back. So very hard stand there, and once you've taken such a stand, diplomatic engagements, no matter what and how long you carry it forward, unless and until there's difference and change in ground situation, there can be no forward movement in bilateral relations between the two countries, which is at its nadir.
All right, Geeta, thank you so much for tracking all the latest, and Geeta telling us about the Chinese Foreign Ministry's response as well over the standoff and after the Defense Minister's statement.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.